So here we are with Roomba again. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery and what battery to look for. So how to change Roomba's battery. First you have to remove these 4 screws. Now I'm just removing the cover, and don't lose any of the 4 screws here and the 5th. So here is the IRobot battery that came with the Roomba itself, and here is the replacement battery that I actually found on Amazon. As you can see, they appear pretty similar, at least. They're both 14.4 volts. The replacement battery I got was from Morpilot, again on Amazon. The original Roomba battery replacement I found, at the time I found it, was cheapest on Amazon. It was $78 versus the Morpilot was about $23. On Amazon, the range for the replacement batteries seemed to be about from $20 to $100. So we'll put it in, and then these tabs have to be tucked in. Here it goes.